doing this my very first time ever doing this. So I recorded myself trying to get a warning removed off of my profile for Facebook. I didn't even know it was there. I had to go look. But yeah, it was telling me all this weird crap like, oh, you have to understand what you've done wrong, like Big Brother. So, okay, yeah, let me remove it because I need to have my profile clean so I can, have a business. I don't even remember what this post was. It could have been that I said, posted, oh, something. I don't even know. They don't even show me what it was. Seriously. And this is back from November 11th, 2023. So I really don't get it. But so they try to teach you, like Big Brother, what you need to say, how you need to say it, and all this other good garbage. And so, okay, yes, Big Brother, I will do whatever you say, and I will make it right. And here are the things I should know. Remember, you're being schooled, so appreciate what the Facebook gods are telling you. And you really should make sure it doesn't happen again. I understand. And I'm like, yeah, okay, these are the options they give you. So I'm like, yeah, what I really want to say to you is that I don't agree, but whatever. Yeah, you just misunderstood me. So that's the tack I took with them. So submit, bada bing, bada boom, and we're done. It takes me back to that whole thing saying, oh, my warning's removed. I'm allowed to be a grown-up again. And, oh, what, if it happens again, whatever. That could be a whole nother video because I plan on not doing it again, but I'll research that and we'll see where it goes. But for right now, all I know is I got my account back. Well, I didn't even lose my account, really, when you think about it. I got the warning removed. And so now I guess I'm free to offend again. But it also allows me to keep my profile growing. And that wouldn't happen if I didn't do this little step. So just remember, the gods are watching.